Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from the United States. This is from Nissin Foods down in California. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh boy. Alright, so every once in a while a box shows up at my door from the Nissin First Taste Club. And I got one, I want to say like a week or so ago, with a new product from Nissin, their top ramen bowls. Well, I looked on their website and I noticed some new kind of cup noodles product, and I asked them, hey, is there a new thing coming around? Their customer service told me that it was like not going to come out until like mid-September. My contact there, he said, look for something around next week. So here it is. This is First Taste Box number 4. The first one, I'm guessing, was very veggie. The second one was the vegetarian soy sauce flavored very veggie. The third one was the top ramen bowls. And now we have the fourth one, Cup Noodles Stir-Fry. Let's see what it has to say. New microwavable takeout style Asian meals ready in minutes. No driving, no walking. Haha. No waiting. Cup Noodles Stir-Fries. Authentic flavors are tossed with high quality veggies like green beans and cabbage, and all have no added MSG. Now you can take your favorite Asian dishes on the go in the cup you adore, from the noodle experts you know and love. You're getting one of the first tastes of our delicious new flavor offerings. Please share what you think with us on social media, and feel free to make your friends jealous. Very cool. Let's have a look. Alright, so we've got sweet chili flavor. It sounds good. I like food. Stir-fry style Asian noodles in sauce. You microwave it for 4 minutes, and it's a stir and enjoy. Is there a sachet? Doesn't look like it. Looks like you just add some liquid, microwave it, and you're done. Korean barbecue flavor. Oh, teriyaki beef. So that's a pretty cool set. A little trifecta of new varieties. Nice. And it's pretty easy to make me happy with a grip of stickers. I really like stickers. Oh, cool. Nice. Alright, check this out. Cup Noodles Hat. Cool. Wow. I'm getting all sorts of apparel lately. I like that. I'll take clothes. Thank you. Well, awesome. Thank you very much. I'm definitely into trying these out, and I will do so soon. They should probably start popping up around mid-September. And yeah, cool. Alright, well hey, thank you very much, and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.